No, it used to be my worst nightmare कि मैं किस दिन irrelevant ना हो जाऊँ. I have asked my manager at least a million times कि भाई मेरा career तो नहीं तबाह होने वाला ना, मैं cancel तो नहीं हो जाऊँगी, ये वो. And all of that happened. And all of that happened publicly. And I lost my house, and I lost a lot of brand deals, and I lost my self-respect, and I lost a lot of things. And it always will be the worst thing that happens to me. But even in between all that, I had people who kept telling me that it'll be okay. I had people who kept loving me. I took an international trip. I attended one of my favorite artists live, and I was there at that mountain top, just being happy, feeling alive. And it gave me so much confidence that it literally just changed my perspective on the entire situation. I was like, the worst is now gone, it's time to be back. And you know, a lot of people have profited out of my misery. And I know it's common. I know that this is what I've signed up for. I'm a public figure. I know that this is what happens to Bollywood people all the time. I was not used to it, and I was not okay with it. I also don't want to profit off of my misery. This was a miserable story told in however funny way that I could. So I want to donate all of the earnings from this video through my AdSense to an NGO that helps acid attack victims, rape victims, and victims of domestic violence. I know, I can already read the titles. Oh my god, Apurva did this for PR. I was very scared of getting raped. I was very scared of having an acid attack. These are causes that I really feel for. And अगर मेरे PR से किसी का भी भला होता है, then just let me be, let me do it. I will also be leaving a link down below. In case you guys also want to, you can donate from the link in the description. And you know, मैं हमेशा बोलती रहती हूँ कि oh my god, don't get influenced by me, I'm such a bad influencer. And you know, a lot of people have called me out on it कि ऐसे कैसे young women look up to you. Okay. I hope young women look up to me and realize that sometimes all odds are against you, but you should not give up. And you can always come back till you believe in yourself. I hope you guys are influenced to fight for yourself, fight for your career, fight against odds, and never ever stop believing in yourself or stop dreaming. And I don't know how this video is going to turn out to be. I wanted to have the last say. I wanted to tell my story. So I hope today I influence you to end things the way that you want to. You know, because a lot of times in life, people are going to tell you that it's over. I used to live in a house that never felt like home for 17 years. I have cried a lot of sleepless nights in that house. I have self-harmed, and I still have the scars. And back then, every day I used to think that it's over. Then I fell in love with a man who promised to love me and protect me and marry me. And then one day he hit me. And that day I thought that it's over. I was slut-shamed by my relatives before I could understand what the word slut is. And I thought that it's over. I have been talked about, conspired against, and punished for things that I never did. And I thought that it was over. I have been the laughing stock, the punching bag, and the girl that they would rape, kill, and throw acid on if they saw her alive. And I really thought that it was over. But it's not over till I say it is.